School safety here is really important. However, when we have people in and out of the building, we have to know that who's in the building is safe.
So before this was in place, we almost had to more trust the people that were entering our building. And yes, we trust people, but we also know there's people who make bad decisions every single day in this world.
So the system that we had in place before was kind of a desktop, laptop check-in, and we did only have one station. And so the process of checking any visitor in was tedious, and it took a little bit of time, and sometimes there were some technology issues that would happen, and I think parents would get a little bit frustrated just waiting to be checked in.
So schools become customer service hubs as well, right? We have families and parents that we want to take care of. We want them to feel comfortable. Still in mind with we want to be secure. We want our facilities to be a very safe place for students to be.
Prior to having Visit Aware, we held off on having large events because staff felt really uncomfortable with adults in the building, kind of without being checked in. So we just kind of held off on having big events.
I think whenever we're looking for solutions in securing the safety and the reassurance of our staff and students, you want to have a platform that's fast, it's reliable, and that puts it into the digital perspective.
Visitor Aware has really helped improve the efficiency of checking in any adult that comes into the building. I can say that confidently, and I can say it because I think the system itself is very user-friendly.
After parents enter their information into the systems, it's very easy for them to get into the building because of the facial recognition. They're coming through the doors, they get to scan their face, they're moving on. It makes it much easier, much more customer service friendly.
So if an elementary is having a large-scale event, they can quickly add 5 to 10 more iPads, which means 5 to 10 more check-in stations. So you greatly increase the speed, and now you're getting a broader audience to check in, and you're even more aware of who's in your building for large-scale events.
Implementation of the Visitor Aware was really actually pretty quick because of the software being cloud-based. We just had to push an app out to the iPad. I think the whole process took for 17 schools approximately about 2 weeks to get implemented.
From a director of technology standpoint, what I like most about this system is the ease of service. It's low headache, low maintenance, and high return.
When a red flag, when something comes up, we're notified directly and we deal with it immediately. It goes out to many different people. So definitely it is working. I think also that second part of knowing that we have this system and knowing that it has been a focus from our community and our schools, focus on safety, that we have these procedures in place also help keep people who make those bad decisions, keep them away.
I have not gotten a lot of feedback, and again, from that director of technology role, that's the best feedback. It means it's working, it's efficient, and it's fast. No one's trying to modify it or make it better because it just works and it meets their needs, so they've been very happy with it.